MHO makes it possible for you to live in a home, maintain where it is that you're living. The repairs with my home was an outstanding journey. I met Lee DeVico, and he came in and assessed the situation and told me, how the program worked and, what to expect and, what I would be, responsible for. When I tell you that the team of professionals that he sent to my home were outstanding, they were outstanding. They just made it as smooth as possible. They were, extremely nice and professional, and I appreciate it. I really do. They came in and did a great job. They redid the floors, they took out the tub, and when I'm having one of my episodes and I need to step in there and, with little assistance, then I can, step into the bathtub without, hurting myself. Standing in my home and just knowing still today, after being there for so long, that I have a home that I can consider my own it's just outstanding. It is. I stand and I just gaze still today, because sometimes it's a struggle to maintain and to be well, and I just appreciate it, having a team of people who want to help you, they want to help you. They want you to be better. Even outside of everything else that you have done, what it may seem like on paper, they want you to do better. And I appreciate that. Being sick and still trying to maintain is difficult. And so I keep praying, and it's gonna be all right. MHO is my holy opportunity.